Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Grafana 12.0 on Oracle Linux 9.6. Open the web browser, that is Firefox, which is the default browser. Then go to Grafana official website, that is grafana.com. Then click on Docs, then click on Grafana, then click on Setup, then click on Install Grafana, then select the RHL or Fedora. See here we have the two methods: install Grafana from the RPM repository and install by using RPM package. So to get the RPM package you have to go to this download page, but I am going to install by using RPM repository method. So see the versions. We have the Grafana Enterprise, Grafana Enterprise Beta, Grafana OSS and Grafana OSS Beta. Okay, installation process is same for all. Okay, so open terminal, run these commands one by one. So it is going to import the GPG key, paste it, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Now create this repo file. So copy it, sudo vi, or use any text editor, paste that path, press I to insert mode, then copy this text, paste it, save the file, $:WQ exclamation. See here we have the two versions. If you want to install OSS, we have to run this command. If you want to install Enterprise Edition, we have to run this command. So run this command to install Grafana Enterprise. Sudo dnf install Grafana -enterprise. Hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, it is installing Grafana Enterprise version 12.0 and it is going to download this much size. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Grafana server, Grafana Enterprise 12.0.2. Okay. Now verify the status of the Grafana service. Sudo systemctl status Grafana-server. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, Grafana service is not started. Q to quit. But before starting, run these commands. That is, it is going to load the daemon. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now start the Grafana service. Sudo systemctl start Grafana-server. We have successfully started. Now verify the status. See, Grafana service is active and running, but still it is disabled. So enable it, Q to quit. Sudo systemctl enable Grafana-server. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, Grafana service is enabled. Q to quit, Control A. Now sign in. Then go to this link, that is sign in to Grafana. Click on it. See here, to configure Grafana, this is the URL. So copy it or just open new tab, localhost with the port number 3000. Hit enter. See, the default username is admin. Password also same. Go to here, provide the same admin, password also admin. Hit enter. Not now. Now see here, continue to use the default password exposes you to security risks. So change the password. But username is same. Confirm the same. Then click on submit. See, we have successfully logged in to Grafana. Click on this question mark. See here, we have installed Grafana 12.0.2. Now if you want to change the password, click on this username, then click on change password. Then you have to provide old password, new password, and confirm the password. I am cancelling this one. Or go to administration, click on users and access, then click on users, then click on user. See, if you want to change the password, click on edit. Then you have to provide new password and click on save. I am not going to change. Again, go to users. If you want to create user, you have to click on new user. Then you have to provide all these details. Okay. Now go to connections, and also see here we have the bookmarks, start, dashboards, explore, and drill down. This is the new option. See here in this we have the metrics, logs, traces, profiles, and alerting. Okay. You can go through the documentation and you can practice. Now go to connections. See here we have the different data sources. Click on again data sources. Click on add data source. Then search for. I have installed MySQL and PostgreSQL on this PC. See, I have installed both PostgreSQL and PSQL. So in this video I am going to connect both PostgreSQL and MySQL. PostgreSQL. Click on it. This is the name for the connection. This can be anything. Now in connection we have to give the host URL. PostgreSQL is installed on this one, so give the localhost 5432 is the port number. Then provide the name of the database, provide the user of the PostgreSQL, confirm the same, provide the password. Then go to here, click on save and test. See SSL disable. Then click on save and test. See database connection is okay. Then again go to data sources. See here we have one data source. Okay, click on new, add new data source. Then search for MySQL. Then click on it. See, this is the name. Then host URL, localhost, port number for MySQL is 3306. Database, I have the bank database, username, root, provide the password. Then click on save and test. See, database connection is okay. Now go to data sources again. See here we have successfully connected to both PostgreSQL and MySQL. And if you want to create dashboards, click on either of them. Then you have to create the dashboards. Okay. The last option that I am going to show you is sudo systemctl stop grafana -server. For the password of sudo user, hit enter. Now reload this. See, we are unable to connect. Okay. So to connect Grafana, the Grafana server must be up and running. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start Grafana -server. Verify the status. See, Grafana service is running. Now reload this one. See, we have connected. Here we have given the localhost. We can also give the host name or loopback IP. First get the host name. See, host name is vbox. Just give vbox :3000. See, we are getting the login page. Then we have to give the username and password. Then click on login. Not now. This is one way. The other way is by using loopback IP, that is 127.0.0.1, port number 3000. Hit enter. See, we have received the same login page. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure Grafana Enterprise Server 12.0.2 on Oracle Linux 9. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.